If aphids or mealybugs have ever covered your plants overnight, you already know the frustration. Leaves curl, growth stalls, and sticky residue invites ants and disease. Most gardeners reach for chemical sprays out of panic, not because they want to. But here is the truth. Big garden stores rarely explain clearly. These soft-bodied pests are among the easiest insects on Earth to control safely, cheaply, and instantly. You do not need poisons. You do not need complicated recipes. You need to understand one simple biological weakness and how to use it correctly. This is a nature's blueprint method, grounded in plant biology, not fear-based marketing. Why aphids and mealybugs collapse so fast. Aphids and mealybugs breathe through their skin. They also rely on a waxy outer coating to prevent dehydration. Disrupt that coating and they die almost immediately. That is why this method works in seconds, not days. You are not poisoning them. You are breaking a physical defense they cannot survive without. Chemical pesticides attack the nervous system and linger in soil, leaves, and air. This method works on contact and leaves nothing toxic behind when used properly. The one-spoon solution that actually works. The ingredient is pure liquid soap. Not detergent, not degreaser, not antibacterial. True soap is made from fats and oils. Detergents are petroleum-based and damage plants. The exact formula matters. Mix 1 tablespoon of pure liquid Castile soap or pure liquid soap flakes into 1 liter of clean water. Stir gently until fully dissolved. Do not shake aggressively, as excess foam reduces effectiveness. This dilution is strong enough to break insect coatings, but mild enough to protect plant tissue when applied correctly. How to apply it for instant results. Spray directly onto aphids and mealybugs until they are visibly wet. Contact is what matters. Within seconds, insects stop moving. Within minutes, they dry out completely. Always spray in the early morning or late evening. Direct sunlight can stress wet leaves even with safe solutions. Focus on the undersides of leaves and stem joints where pests hide and multiply. Rinse plants with plain water after 2 hours if infestations are heavy. This protects beneficial insects that arrive later and prevents residue buildup. Why this is safe for kids and pets when used correctly. Pure soap breaks down rapidly into harmless components. Once dry and rinsed, it leaves no toxic residue. There is no nerve toxin, no bioaccumulation, and no soil contamination. Children and pets are exposed to far greater risk from commercial pesticides that persist on surfaces and enter dust. With this method, safety comes from simplicity and correct dilution. Never allow pets to drink freshly mixed solution and always store unused mix out of reach. Common sense matters more than labels. So, why do detergents secretly damage gardens? Well, many online recipes fail because they recommend dish detergent. The thing is, detergents strip plant cuticles just as aggressively as they strip insect coatings. Leaves might yellow, burn, or even drop days later, and honestly, gardeners often end up blaming the weather instead of the spray. If the label lists degreasers, fragrance, antibacterial agents, or petroleum derivatives, you should definitely avoid using it. Soap is soap. Detergent is something else entirely. Now, why do pests keep coming back when the soil is weak? Aphids and mealybugs, for example, target stressed plants. Excess nitrogen, compacted soil, and poor airflow all create soft growth that pests just love. This spray removes the current infestation, but, soil health is what prevents the next one. Balanced compost, mulch, and proper watering really do reduce pest pressure dramatically. Healthy plants resist insects naturally, while weak plants pretty much advertise themselves. So, when should you repeat and when not to? For active infestations, repeat every 3 to 5 days until you see no more insects. Do not spray daily unless the infestation is severe. Once pests disappear, just stop spraying. This is not a preventative chemical. Overuse, even of safe tools, disrupts garden balance. Ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps control pests in the long run, so give them a reason to stay. Why do commercial pesticides hide this method? Well, there's really no profit in a spoon of soap. It cannot be patented, branded, or sold over and over again at scale. That does not mean it's inferior, though. It means it empowers gardeners instead of creating dependency. Nature's blueprint is about understanding systems, not just replacing one product with another. What this teaches us about gardening as a whole is that most garden problems have simple biological solutions hidden behind all the complex marketing. When you learn how insects, soil, and plants actually function, gardening becomes calmer, cheaper, and honestly, far more successful. This is not a trick. It is applied biology. If this helped you see pest control differently, go ahead and subscribe to Nature's Blueprint for more honest, soil-first gardening strategies. Share this with a fellow gardener who is tired of spraying chemicals, and let's help grow a safer, healthier food future from the ground up.